back to my YouTube channel. I am J Walking Diva. Thank you guys for tuning in. And before I go any further, I want to give a big thumbs up to getting to my 100 subscriber. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching with me. Give yourselves a pat on the back. Okay, so without keeping you guys waiting, today's video is of my most recent cop. However, is not a recent release, but it is a dunk that, I just gave it away. It is a shoe that I wanted and I didn't hit on sneakers, so I got it resale from PCH LA here in Dallas. Shout out to the team over there. You guys are the coolest. Appreciate you looking out for us on the L's that we take. But yes, it is a dunk low. Comes in the infamous orange and white Nike box, as you can see here. Grade school size 7. So without keeping you guys waiting any longer, here are the contents. And this is the Dunk Low SE Black, free 99. It did come in white also. I wasn't really feeling that one because I see like everybody has that shoe. Unfortunately, I didn't really like the color blocking on that. What caught my eye about this shoe was the chocolate swoosh here that it has. I really like that. And then also the other coloring, it just goes well together. The gum sole alone is a big hit with me. And the second best feature is the inside on this tongue. You can see where it has the free 99 on the insole. I said tongue, but I meant insole. And I didn't see any special features like that on the white one either. But yes, I chose to get this one. And again, it's because of the color blocking. You got your black toe box here. On this shoe, this is the left shoe, you have your little neon green there. I guess that's what you'd call it. The yellowing here on the eyelets. Pink around the heel. Black mud guard, white midsole. On this tongue here, you have like a 3D Nike on top of the tongue. Feels like it's kind of leathery. Maybe plastic, I guess. I wouldn't say leather. Yeah, plastic. And kind of a little puff here on the tongue, which is pretty cool. Comes with your typical black flat laces. You have your Nike here in black on the heel, on top of the teal coloring. So yes, and the shoes are, I guess you call it flip color blocking, so to speak. Again, you have the light green here on the left foot. On the right foot, you have the turquoise there around the toe box, yellowing on the heel. The neon color here on the eyelets, same chocolate swoosh, and black on the mud guard, white midsole, gum sole. Very nice shoe. Again, I just like this colorway for one because of the decorating they did on the insole there with the free 99. I've been doing a little research on this to try to see what free 99 was. It just means that a little marketing that they did to let you know that something was for free. I thought it was like a brand or something that collabed with Nike. If you guys know any information about that, if you want to comment down below to let me know, I greatly appreciate it because I'm kind of curious about that. Like I said, I did my research and couldn't find anything, but I do like this colorway. The white, again, I wasn't too fond of because it kind of resembled the candy dunk that came out, so I just kind of passed on that one. But yes, I did get this one. It released June 8th, I believe, on sneakers. And like I said, I didn't hit on that. Bought this resale. That's pretty much all I'll say about that. But again, shout out to PCH for having it in store in my size, and I greatly appreciate it. I always go to those guys to either buy or sell. So yeah, you guys should check them out. But that pretty much does it for this review. Again, this is the Nike Dunk Low SE free 99 black version. Again, I am J Walking Diva. If you guys watch this video and are not subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Give me a thumbs up, ring the notification bell, leave a comment. Anything of that nature helps the channel to grow, and I greatly appreciate it. So again, thank you guys for tuning in. I am J Walking Diva. You guys stay safe and have a blessed day. Peace.